Nice to see you. Hi, Tigger. Glad to have you too. Here's the zebra. Hello, zebra. Running by. Hello, giraffe. Up so high. Oh, that's such a good girl. You gonna smile now, everybody? Yeah. Smile and say hi, because you'd like to be read to, don't you? There. Hello, lion. Lion. Hello, crocodile. Hello, monkey. Upside down. Hello, parrot. Hippie. Hello, hippie. In the water. Hello, snake. Sliding by.
We want to do the one that says